back.
Hi science fans, we're back and we're going to start with the first experiment from the magnetic lab by
Galt.
So we unboxed this last time and it looked pretty cool actually.
It did.
So we're going to crack on. So the first experiment is called the strength test.
Okay.
And what you need for this is the magnetic wand.
Okay, a fly swatter.
Yeah.
Have it.
One ring magnet. So
What?
not four. One ring magnet.
Okay.
The bar magnet.
Shall we open it?
Yeah. One rattle magnet.
One.
Just one.
A
A ruler.
Okay.
And a flat surface.
Nice.
And I think you might want the notebook as well, so
Let's just open this bar magnet.
don't use your teeth, kids.
I have a feeling it'll be strong.
Okay,
Ooh.
so we're going to test out the strength of the magnets that we've got in the kit, okay?
Yeah.
So we're gonna take the ruler. Yeah, well that's pretty much what we're gonna do. Do you want to have your notebook and your pen?
Okay.
We're gonna take the ruler.
Uh-huh.
And we're going to put the magic wand at the end of it.
Okay, why?
Okay? And then what we're going to do is take each magnet and see how far apart it needs to be for it to move. So if we start with the ring magnet, might be better for the camera actually to do it this way.
Okay, can I try?
So what you want to do is gently push it along.
Yeah.
Until
eventually
it starts to move by itself.
Oh! Mum, you did it the wrong way.
So, well, if I turn that over.
Nice, that one wasn't very strong. What shall I write down?
So will you do it and you decide what the measurement should be?
Okay, let me see. If I would...
You want to put it like that? Yeah, that might be better, yeah.
I want to put it like that. Should we rate out of 10, by the way?
So slow down a bit. See what happens.
Scared me.
So I actually think it's a bit easier the other way because you can see when it moves.
What, my way?
No, like this.
I feel
so
like
I would say that it was about 1 centimetre.
But we're rating out of 10, right?
Yeah, we want to measure. We want to measure on the ruler. That's the point of the ruler, right?
Oh, okay.
So if you... Mind your hand.
By the way, I don't want to do it this way. Wait, we shouldn't flip that one around. I don't really want to.
So it's 1 centimetre.
Can we not do it like that?
Okay.
So... ring.
So now do you want to try it with this one?
Yeah, hold on. Okay, 1 centimetre, and then we can pick a winner in the end. Actually, I can do it with the pen.
Oh.
Wait, is it the wrong way?
It's moving backwards, look.
It doesn't like us.
Oh!
What was that? What was that? 2 centimetres?
No, I think it was more than that. Hang on. Right there. It doesn't... Oh.
What?
I'd say it's about there. It's about 7.
7?
So if you go any closer... Oh!
Rattle.
I mean, it's
So 7 centimetres.
Well, 4 when it starts to move the wand.
But I feel like we should do when it all doesn't want to go. Because that does count as moving by itself, right?
Yeah. Okay, so 4...
7.
Stroke 7. Because, yeah, it doesn't... Oh.
Well, it's still winning. So what's the next one? The bar magnet? I have a feeling this one...
Now, you might want to try that one. Ooh. You might want to try doing it, because it's got, if you notice, it's got an N and an S.
Yeah,
for north and south. So you might want to see what happens with the north and then what happens with the south.
Okay.
Yeah? Move that guy out of the way.
Wait, hold on. Ooh, the tension. Not doing well. Oh.
No, it's moving. It's moving away.
It doesn't like it. North doesn't connect. So
try south. Mm-hmm.
it didn't.
Yeah, well, that was it. So that was the closest, wasn't it? So
It
that
didn't
went,
move by itself. I had to push it to it.
Yeah, look.
Oh, when was that?
So that's about. I'd say that's 1 centimetre as well. So which one's the strongest then?
Hold on. Okay, so we have ring magnet 1 centimetre, rattle magnet 7/4 centimetres, and bar magnet a sad 1 centimetre. So the winner is the rattle magnet.
This guy.
Yeah.
So what we're testing there is what's called the strength of the magnetic field. All right. So if you've got a magnet, let's take this one. This is the easiest one to show it with. Like a piece of paper. And you could actually do this with iron filings, which we'll maybe do in the next experiment. So if you had a magnet, if you could see it, but they're invisible, give me your pen. There would be a magnetic field that runs from north to south, right?
Okay.
And then, so what, for a very strong magnet, that magnetic field goes further out.
Okay.
And for a weak magnet, it's really close. So for this guy, that magnetic field might have gone all the way out here.
Okay.
Yeah. But for this guy, it might have been just like that. Yeah.
Yeah.
So you can't see it, but the effect that it's having on the atmosphere is like that. But you can feel it when you put the magnets together. You can feel it, can't you? Mm-hmm. Especially if you do the opposite, so that they oppose each other. You can feel it pushing against.
I like to feel. Why isn't it? Oh, there we go. Yeah, you can definitely
feel it.
Pushing
Yeah.
against. So you can theoretically measure it from letting it oppose.
Yeah, well, that's what we kind of did with the ruler, right?
So
that's all about magnetic fields.
So this is how big this one's magnetic field is.
Yeah. So when we said there was about 4 centimetres, didn't we?
Mm-hmm.
So there you go. So that's all about strength of magnets and magnetic fields. So what did you think about that experiment?
I thought it was okay.
Yeah? Did you enjoy it?
Wasn't the funnest experiment.
Wasn't the funnest, but it was some quite good science.
I guess.
So what do you want to score it?
You go first.
I'm going to score it a 7.
I'm going to score it a... I'm sorry, by only scoring it a 3.
A 3? Okay, I understand.
It was boring.
It was a bit boring, but it was good science. So Mum liked it because it was good science, but you didn't because it was a bit boring. So a 3 and a 7 gives us a 5. average.
Okay.
Are you okay with that?
Mhm.
Okay, so there you go, science fans. So that was the, what was it called? Strength test. The strength test. We've learned all about magnetic fields, so hopefully you've learned something too.
And now we can swat all the magnets.
I do love to play with a magnet, I have to say. So if you like what we're doing, don't forget to go to our YouTube channel, which is Science Time with Dr. Laura and
Ellie.
And don't forget to
like and subscribe.
See you next time, science fans. Bye.